Hello from the Alton Towers Resort. We're going to be staying here at the Alton Towers Hotel. That's the original one of all the hotels that they've got here. And it's quite a few years since we've stayed here. Last time Casper stayed here, I think he was actually staying in a cot. So that's how long ago it was. So yeah, from what I remember this, it's a really, really nice hotel. And this hotel has cost us approximately £130, I think it is, for one night on a Sunday going into the Monday. So yeah, we're staying that's in the Arctic Explorers room as well. Yeah. So let's go and check this out. Let's go check out the Arctic Explorers room here at the Alton Towers Hotel, at the Alton Towers Resort. Let's go. So we're standing under this covered rotunda area really, because it's absolutely hammering it down now. It's been nice throughout the day, and it's just started raining now. Just looking out into the fountain there, you can see it's really nice addition. I'll film some of it in the morning as well, so you can see. But yeah, it looks really, really nice. The car with all the water coming off and all the stuff that's coming off. Proper good steampunk vibes, isn't it, Casper?
Yeah, and there's also some music going in.
There is some entertainment, so we'll take you down to what's going on there. This is this unusual statue there. Looks like the beggar that's asking for a penny. What the heck's there, isn't it?
Well, yeah,
although I've noticed something very crude there. I think what's going on. Yeah, let's go inside and see what's going on. So this is a much more classy entrance really than the other one. One thing that we have noticed is Sir Alton's doorbell. Oh, come on in, close the door. Come on in and close the door. So that is Sir Alton's personal doorbell. Nice little interactive buttons as you come in, and you're greeted by these two lions here as well. So what I do like is the projection that's on the floor here, and as well as the big elephant there with the themed people that's on there as well. Casper's dancing to the entertainment that's going on. One of the great things here is all these self-service kiosks when you come in as well, so that you there's no waiting or queuing when you come in. Just go straight to those. When they send you a message that your room is ready, just head straight to those, and that's it. So we head over here. This is where all the entertainment takes place, down here. See there, it's really nice bit of theming here. It's a big balloon. Just coming on the left hand side there from the main entrance, which is there, is the shop. So we'll have a look around the shop and we'll see what's in the shop as well. Yeah. So look, oh look, so there's some nice, it's got all sorts of things that you find in the park. Those towels are just £6, which is quite good. So yeah, it's Monopoly. You like those? So they're £10 for those tumblers, which are up there, which are quite cool. I do like them at Monopoly, Alton Towers Monopoly, and there's the Alton Towers building blocks there, which are £8, which is good.
I like the Wicker Man mug.
Yeah, oh, I like the Scarefest one, which is embossed with Scarefest on there too.
And you got the Wicker Man
£13.
The Wicker Man pumpkin.
Oh, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's Wicker Man anyway.
It is Wicker Man, yeah. It's got the ram's head on it. And here's all the spooky friends that are available.
I have these two.
Which is really cool. Skelvin, Frankie.
Gretel, Patch.
Gretel, yeah. Patch, which is really cute. And I like this hat as well that they've got available.
Yeah, nice and back.
We also have some big plushies available here. The Sir Algernon bear, which is there, it's £30, the Sir Algernon bear. And it's the logo bear there, and that's £20, which is very cute. And there's the monkey, there's a hanging one, which is 20. Some squishies.
David Williams.
And there's all your David Williams stuff, which is here as well. So there's the game there, which is £15, and a beaker, which is £8, and all the books, which are, it doesn't actually say how much the books are individually priced. So if you wanted to have Codename Bananas, for example, that is priced at £7.99. And Casper's found his way down to the Smiler section here.
You belong to the Smiler travel mug.
Yeah, and that's £10, that one. I do like this one because it looks like a series of mugs that are all stacked into each other, doesn't it? And that's £12. There's a Space Hopper, which is just £5 there.
Yeah. I like these large plushies too, which is £30.
So they're £30 for the large plushies.
And then
they've got cool faces, haven't they? He looks cute, isn't he?
£20
yeah.
for these ones.
And there's the
Wicker Man.
Wicker Man. So the ride plushie's £40.
It looks like it's actually broken through to the ride.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. I like him.
And you've got this bag as well.
Yeah.
So that bag's £25, which isn't too bad at all.
The biggest teddy is £40
Oh, yeah.
that one.
So it does have most of the merchandise in this shop.
Manor.
All the case stuff,
Oh,
yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah, so that is £20, that one.
That's
very cute. Yeah, it's a little mirror. And of course, there's these very strange babies' heads. Oh, I just dropped that on there. Thank you, Casper. £5 for those ones.
Then we have these.
Oh, yeah.
And then, oh, that's cute. Like
It is, isn't it? Yeah, it's cool. That's different to our one that we've got at home.
And there's another
It's
one
all
up there with
embossed
the
as well.
eye.
Yeah. It's £12. So there is a nice Costa coffee that's in here, which serves all sorts of snacks, cakes, and coffees and drinks as well, which is all upstairs by the reception.
Go.
Yeah, so there is golf. This is all included in your stay here. We went and played this earlier on today, so we won't be showing you that on this occasion.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice that this is included in your stay here as well, which is nice. So next thing, we're just going to go downstairs and check out everything that's going on down here. There's no entertainment on at the moment, that's coming on later on. However, I just want to show you all of the theming that's on this hotel, because it all looks really, really nice. Especially this boat that they've got here. And it's really, really nicely designed. Going into a big balloon up there. Looks like it's trying to escape and around this big, huge boat, which it also doubles up. This is the stage for the Indian entertainment as well. Well, let's go have a look what's going on down there. So let's look in the arcade now. Casper's just demonstrating the high five there. And there's quite a few good. This is Guitar Hero. There's the cutter game to play. And there's also 4 grabbers there. And a couple of the pull through the hole games as well. So it's all nice little arcades. Casper likes Guitar Hero. We're going to go check out some more stuff. So this is the Secret Garden. That's where we'll be having breakfast in the morning. There are evening meals available. We've already eaten today, so we're not going to be eating in there at the moment. But yeah, so that is the restaurant. So that is the meals that are available. It's just gone black there. So you can freeze it and have a look at yourself at the prices of the food that's available here in the Secret Garden.
Very creative.
Oh yes, so create your own dapper name. So if you're looking at Casper here, we go to November, so he is Giddy, and then your first name, Giddy Horatio. So that is your name, Giddy Horatio. How about that? Yeah? This is me. I would be Viscount. Viscount Ebenezer. There you go. So and Eden would be Captain Septimus.
Mummy?
And Mummy would be Brilliant Cornelius. There we go. That's create your own dapper name. Oh, in fact, I just did that completely wrong because there's girls' names there actually. Nah, never mind. You get the picture. So this is the Dragon's Bar. So this is where you can get all your drinks and evening entertainment just over by the ship, just there, and get your drinks included in here. And so the really, really nice bit of theming in here. It looks absolutely lovely, as you can see.
And there's another bar behind Daddy. It's a restaurant.
Yes, that's the restaurant. The Secret Garden is just behind me, which is just in there where we'll be having our breakfast. That's quite right. So have a look at this boat that's over here, which is there it is, and that's where all the evening entertainment takes place on this ship, just here. And there's I think there's some games that's due to take place in about an hour's time. The great things about this big centrepiece here, Casper's all excited to tell us about it. We've just bought ourselves one of those towels that was £6. So yeah, I like the rotating blades that are there, that are just going around constantly. It's really, really nice. It's a nice little addition. What?
Oh yeah, it'll go the other way if it's going down.
Oh right, okay, he's telling us all about it. But yeah, it's nice that you see them just going around as well. It's great. So we're in the Arctic Explorers room, aren't we, Casper?
Yeah.
So, where we checked in, which was just there, it's just through these doors here. I mean, had I have going to picked it, I wouldn't have picked this room. It is the closest room to the entertainment you could possibly find. However, you can't pick your rooms, but there's not much going on now, so here we go, 241. So this is our room, the Arctic Explorers room. Casper's going to show us how to get in. Guys, we've just entered our Arctic Explorers room here. As you can see, it's really nicely themed in a true Alton Towers style. We've got the themed carpet, we've got all the snowy footprints there, and we've got a nicely steampunk style theming around the television as well, which is quite nice. And we've got a lovely bedspread on, which is all themed to the Arctic Explorers. Looks like there's all bits of patchwork on there, and it looks really, really good. And I do like this map that's on the it's illuminated as well, which looks quite nice, and the lovely themed lamps either side, and the vinyl decor that's just behind the bed there. Nice themed lamps, and you've also got some decent bedside tables as well, which looks like it's themed to a safe, which looks all nice. And down this way we've also got us another bedside table, another one of those nicely themed lamps, and we've got a polar bear, which is there. It's a lovely polar bear to cuddle into. And there's also, so there's this bed here, and there's a rollaway bed under there, because we've got the 2 children with us. So there's plenty of room for them. It's not bunk beds in this one. And there's a couple of activity books as well, and some crayons for the children to be able to do whilst they're here as well. Some lovely themed curtains, which are like a velvet. So hopefully they'll be nice and dark for us, but it is coming towards the end of the season as we record this. We're in October now, so it is getting dark, and it's just gone 6 o'clock. So there's more theming on the walls here with all pipework and the themed lamps. And I'm just going to go and have a look around the bath room and see what that's like up there. There's you've got all your usual tea and coffee making facilities, which are here, with some biscuits as well to munch on whilst you're having your stay here at the Alton Towers Resort. And you can look at this as well. There's a nice themed door as well with an Arctic ship flying through, which is really cool. And as you come into here, you've got a decent sized sink in there, and WC, which is just there. And also is your Arctic themed wall, and there's another themed wall for you whilst you're having your shower as well. So that is the room here at the Alton Towers Resort, the Alton Towers Hotel. So it's going to get ourselves all settled in now. So what does everybody think of this room?
I think it's really cool, beautiful, yeah.
Actually, I have to say, I think this is probably one of the better ones that we've stayed at.
Yeah, I would say so. I think it looks really nice, doesn't it?
And I like how the windows look like you're actually
outside.
Yeah, they do. It does look like you're looking outside. It looks like it's really cold, and I love how it looks like things are just bursting out all over the place. And it actually looks like it's been really well maintained as well.
I was just about to say, it looks like it's been had a bit of a refresh.
Yeah,
recently.
definitely does.
The room looks very like it's been recently done.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And all that wall looks like it could have been painted quite recently. So that's nice to see that they are maintaining and look after it as well. I do love these carpets that they have in the Alton Towers hotels. They're really, really good. So yeah, that's the room. Did you like it, Eden?
Yeah, I love it.
You like it?
I like it.
Right, let's time to do some more exploring. So we're in a secret garden. We've just got our breakfast out in the Casper. The girls have just gone to get theirs, hence the empty seats there. You get yourself some sausage, some egg, bacon, and some beans there, and some really nice looking food. It looks really well cooked. I've got myself some hash browns, sausage, mushrooms, fried egg, and a croissant as well. Really loaded up. It's unlimited, of course, and it has coffee as well, which is really, really nice. It is Costa coffee, which is nice. And they've got some juice. So yeah, I'll let you know what it's like when we've eaten this, because it looks great, and I'm hungry. So we're in the Alton Towers magical lift, and where all sorts of things can happen. So do you want to press the button and let's see what happens? So there we go. So that's the second floor, which is where our room is after coming from breakfast.
Nemesis.
It was Nemesis music. There we go. So we've got the Nemesis music, and that brings us out onto the floor where we are at reception. There's like an old school bike that's just there. Do you want to say that for a ride around? It's not quite a penny farthing, but it's a very old one nonetheless. It's very cool. I do like the theming in here. It's really, really nice. It does give me vibes of the Bell Rock Hotel.
It's going to try and hit the bell, isn't it?
Yeah, there he is. He is very cute. That's very good. I like this hotel. It's the nicest of the Alton Towers hotels, I think. It definitely is, isn't it?
And that's the end of our lovely breakfast that we just had there. Really, really nice in the secret garden, wasn't it?
It's lovely in there, isn't it? It's my favourite.
Yeah, this is
Breakfast restaurant.
Yes.
Alton Towers.
Yeah.
Not just flavour in
no,
the whole
no,
world.
no, wide world. No, it was good though. The food tasted good. It was cooked nicely, decent selection, and there's only one island on today because it's quiet.
Oh,
Yeah.
And it kept on looking like it was getting busy, but
It really wasn't. I mean,
really wasn't.
we ate at 8, and obviously that's like peak time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really, here, because you can go in the park from 9, and it was hardly
Probably about
anybody
15 people in the restaurant. Not many at all. It was really, really nice. I filmed as much as I could in there, without obviously disturbing all the other people who are having their breakfast, because it's not very nice having a camera shoved in your face. But yeah, really nice hotel. I've been really impressed, and I'm impressed with how everything looks like it's been maintained and looks really nice. It's a number of years since we've stayed here, isn't it?
It is a long time, yeah. Not since Casper was a baby, so.
Yeah, so hopefully this is somewhere we definitely want to come again if we come to stay at the Alton Towers Resort. Did you like it, Eden? Big thumbs up from Eden as well. There we go, exactly. So thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content as well. That's it from us. We're going to go in the park now and have a fun day in the park. So let the positivity in and
Ride it out.
bye!